welcome back for another video. Today we will be recreating the most iconic drink this season. To make this video, I've watched so many tutorials, I've read so many articles regarding how to make the perfect pumpkin spice latte, and I'm here to tell you that we're not gonna make any of that. We're not going to be aiming for perfection. We're only aiming for satisfactory. Also, we don't have a lot of ingredients compared to people from the States where they have everything, I guess. What we're trying to achieve is to recreate the pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks with ingredients that you can find here in the Philippines. So here I am to all you Pinoys who wants to have a pumpkin spice latte but find it really expensive to have a cup. This is a very cheap way of getting your own and also brewing it to your liking. To start off, let me list down all the ingredients that you need. A few tablespoons of sugar, your choice of milk, cinnamon powder and nutmeg, vanilla syrup, a cup of coffee or dirty chai, and pumpkin. If you've seen other videos on how to make a pumpkin spice latte, there are two ingredients that I didn't mention, which we will be DIYing today. The first one is the pumpkin puree, which can be bought by can in the United States. Since we don't have organic pumpkin purees here in the Philippines, we decided to make our own. It's very easy. Just buy a squash, cut them into pieces, season them with a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. You can steam them, bake them, or laga them if you would, whichever is more convenient for you and is more available for you, just until we achieve the consistency that we want, which is soft and mushy. Once you have the pumpkin cooked, you can set it aside, let it cool down, grab a strainer and a bowl. Put the pumpkin in the strainer and start to press them down. Once all of the pumpkins are freshly pressed, personally, I would describe the consistency as a gerber-like consistency because one, it looks like gerber, two, it kind of smells like gerber, and honestly, if you tried it, it may taste like gerber. That's really all I can say. That is your pumpkin puree. Set it aside. All you need for a cup is like 2 to 4 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. Depends on how much you want to taste that pumpkin or how creamy you want it to get. The next one is the pumpkin spice, which is mainly cinnamon and nutmeg. I bought all my spices online. 35 grams of cinnamon and nutmeg is more than enough for just 1 cup. All you need is 1.5 tablespoon of cinnamon and a half teaspoon of nutmeg. If you have ginger powder, add 2 teaspoons of ginger and add it in. That would give a more zesty flavor, but if you don't, cinnamon and nutmeg is good enough. Trust me, it's good enough. Once you've prepared both of those ingredients, then it's 5 minutes to make your own latte. I want a cold fall weather, and this is me just hoping and praying and acting like we have that fall weather. So I get mine. It's usually caffeinated. Comment below if you would rather make your own or just grab one at Starbucks, or if you're just curious to try once. For me, I prefer making my own because I'm too lazy to go out. And yes, they do have delivery, like Grab delivery or Lala Food, but I'm too lazy to dress up kapag nakapambahay ako, and then I have to go down, pay them the money, give. Plus, I like mine iced or in a frap, so pagdating sa akin, sure ako tunaw na siya. So it's better to make one on my own. And I have all the ingredients, so seriously, just gotta make use of it. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to be updated when I upload videos. And it's usually somehow now consistent every Friday at 7 p.m. That's really a big improvement, so thank you.